Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. It's finally the day for the clash of the two biggest teams of South India. It's RCB versus CSK. The two teams have seen a reverse in fortunes as compared to last season, with CSK being on the losing side more than that of RCB this season. Who makes it to the Fantasy 11 of this match? Let's find out. AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers has been one of the most important players for RCB for a long time now. Rightfully called Mr. 360, he can smash the ball all over the park and he looks to be in great touch this season. He has a massive strike rate and can play really well under pressure, and this makes him our first pick. Virat Kohli. Also known as King Kohli, he has finally seen a glimpse of form in his previous innings. His innings of 72 not out powered RCB to the top 2 on the table earlier this season, and he will look to keep scoring runs and keeping up to the form that he is currently in. Once he gets going, he becomes hard to stop, and this thus makes him our second pick. Shane Watson. Shane Watson has been the backbone of the CSK batting for a few seasons now. This season, however, coming after a long break from cricket, the Aussie was not looking to be in great touch. His innings of 87 against Punjab and his 50 in the previous game would have surely boosted his confidence, and this could be an indication of the man coming back into form. If so, he will be a player to watch out for the rest of the season, as he has the ability to single-handedly win games for CSK as an opener. Ambati Rayudu. Ambati Rayudu has been one of the biggest match winners for CSK last year. His explosive batting on the top can make him a threat to any bowling lineup. Having suffered an injury this season, he seems to be out of touch after his 71 in the first match of the season. He will be looking to bounce back into form in this match, and this makes him our fourth pick. Faf du Plessis. Faf du Plessis has been the highest run getter for CSK this season. He already has almost 300 runs this season, and he played a sublime knock alongside Shane Watson in the game where they won with 10 wickets against Punjab. He has been explosive this season while also being consistent, and this thus makes him the captain of R11, as he will get a lot of points to his name in this match. Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar has been a decent bowler for RCB in the recent past, with the team being on winning ways and his low economy rate of just 4.80 this season. He will be more confident to bowl against the explosive batsmen of Chennai Super Kings. This year, spinners have created a massive impact on games, and he could do the job for RCB alongside Yuzvendra Chahal. This thus makes him our sixth pick. Dwayne Bravo. The return of Dwayne Bravo has made the CSK side more stable by adding depth to the batting and by also giving an additional bowling option. He is bowling well in the death overs, showing his vintage form. If he strikes his best form, he can be unstoppable with both the bat and the ball and can prove to be a match winner for Chennai Super Kings. He will thus be a player to be watched out for, and this thus makes him our seventh pick. Sam Curran. The young man Sam Curran has been proving to be an asset to the experienced side of Chennai Super Kings. He is one of the highest wicket takers for CSK this season, and his explosive cameos show potential of how well he can strike the ball too. His destructive strike rate of over 250 this season bears the testimony of the same. He is a brilliant all-rounder and a great fielder too, which earns him the 8th spot in R11. Isuru Udana. The inclusion of Udana in the RCB side has made the bowling look better. He already has 5 wickets to his name this season in just 3 games, and he proves to be a key player. Although his economy rate is not really great, he will be a threat as he has the ability to keep taking wickets. This grants him the 9th spot in R11. Yuzvendra Chahal. Yuzvendra Chahal, the Bangalore leggy, has been the highest wicket taker for RCB this season so far. With 8 wickets to his name, with an economy rate of just 7.57, he will be threatening to face to all batsmen. His leg spinners will be the ones to watch out for, as he has played a massive role in RCB's flourish of wins this season. This thus makes him our vice captain and our 10th pick. Deepak Chahar. Deepak Chahar is one of the best CSK bowlers in the power play. His record shows that he loves to bowl in the power play, as most of his wickets come in this stage of the game. He can swing the ball both the ways, which make him a threat to any batsman in the tournament. He is a key bowler for CSK and earns the final spot in R11. Here are the 11 who we believe can be the ones who will walk out with the highest fantasy points in this game. Who is your favorite pick? Let us know down below.